All right, let's go see what happened last night with that snow. Did we get our storm or not? Oh yeah, we got it. Kenneth came out and shoveled this morning. Look at the snow in the back of the truck. We definitely got our snow. We definitely got our work cut out for us to get this cleaned up. Get this truck cleaned off and we'll get at this. Stay tuned. So that was my coworkers going by, an ambulance racing out towards Beachburg, lights and sirens. Such a crappy day to be out, but people still get sick, get hurt. It's a lovely way how we say hi to each other all the time. Just chirp the siren. They do it all the time when they pass my house. we're getting her done, getting her taken care of. Those banks are getting big, but driveway's opened up, no big deal. Gonna head down to the barn now, get that all cleared up. That's why I wanted to do this yesterday, so it wasn't as thick down there. Sorry guys, guess the GoPro died on me, was coming down the hill. You saw those having a little bit of trouble. I normally don't have trouble coming down here. Something up lately. Plow is not sliding on the grass as nice as it used to. I don't know. I know boss has some different things out to help with that. I might have to look into something. Not really sure. But anyway, we got her cleaned up. Yes, I was windrowing, but give you an idea, snowbank on the windrow is almost as high as the plow. I think it is up there. Gonna have to clear that out, I guess, if I want into the barn. There's a lot of snow came down. I'm calling for up to 40 centimeters, and I don't know what we got, but we got a lot, that's for sure. Again, into the woodshed. There's let's see, what can I do here? Yeah, that's just below my knee. I don't know if you're actually getting it, but it's just below my knee. So lots of snow up at the house, some good snowbanks down here, some good snowbanks. Have some fun. Sure, the kids will be having lots of fun today. There was no buses, so I'm sure they'll be out there sliding or something. Get this all packed down, but anyway, that's got the house opened up, cleared up for now. I might have to do it again, and I still got to go to town and do the one in there as well. See if anything else comes up today too. So that's it for this place. Let's see what else comes up. Stay tuned. All right, I'm back. I'm at the house in town. Yeah, I had to plow to even get in the driveway. There is a ton of snow. I'm sure it probably doesn't look all too bad, but it's bad. There's a lot of snow came down, so I'm just going out here to the curb. I'll show you. I was gonna pull into the driveway and let Candace out to shovel and set up, but that wasn't happening. I had to bust my way through for sure. Oh well, we're here now. Get this one cleaned up. Well, it's a good start. There's a lot of work to do here. There's the downside to in town. Nowhere to put that. That's a big bank. There's also supposed to be a sidewalk through here. City's got big snow blowers, they can deal with that. That's a lot of snow we got. I'm gonna probably do this a little bit more once we finish up out back. But yeah. It's a big storm. We haven't had one like that in quite a while. Had a shovel in through here. Luckily Candace is doing that. Try to clear. Huh?
How far am I going?
At least past the house. You don't have to go all the way to the shed, but at least past the house. I gotta get around to the back to get to the gas meter to submit a reading, but this is poor Candace. She's got the manual labor. It's light, she said. Don't give her too much sympathy because I've offered her to plow and she hasn't taken me up on that yet. So she's out here because I plow. Just before you guys come after me. But yeah, we'll finish getting this all cleaned up. Honestly, it turned out pretty good, I think. I'll clean up a little bit more before I go, but yeah, the storm of 2025, we're making up for the past 2 years. Hey man, this is great. We'll just enjoy it while we can, right? And keep having fun. Stay safe, guys. The wind has picked up too. Sorry, while I'm at it, the wind has picked up, so I might even have to clean up more at home because we're getting those drifts back. The snow has stopped, but now we got the wind, so I don't know, we'll see what happens. This could be fighting this for a little bit longer yet today, maybe even tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. If I check back in with you when I get home, great. If not, we'll see you then. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Take care. So we just got home, and of course now that I turned the camera on, it's not doing it. You can see it a bit. The wind has really picked up, and it is just blowing the snow right across. Just a second ago, I couldn't really see down the driveway very well. Candace is up there shoveling out by the house. I'm gonna clean that up a bit more too. I just did like 2 passes because the drifts have come in already. It's pretty crazy. You get all the snow and then you get the wind. Let's see if I can do this. Something. Got Candace some nice orchids while I was in town too. Valentine's Day is coming up and all. Thought I'd do something nice for her. All right, I'm gonna go and clean up these drifts some more. And the walkway that Candace is shoveling again. She's a good woman going out in that wind and snow shoveling. You can probably see it hopefully a little bit more now coming off the house and stuff.